Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this here DAH-TEC ceramic fan heater with 3000 watt power. This is a small radiant heater for construction areas. It's a heater for construction dryer with a thermostat and 3 heating levels. The heating fan for the bathroom, for the table and indoor areas. It's also available on the market with 2 kW kilowatt. Here it comes with 3 kilowatt. So a lot of power is there, which we can have a delivery of it. Instant heat in 3 seconds. The high-performance ceramic technology with the alloy fan blades provides a fast heat with a lower power consumption. The energy efficient range of 30 square meters with 2 meter effective airflow is possible because we have 3 operating modes. 30 watt, that's the fan only. No heating, only the fan is blowing the wind, for example. Then we can add 2000 watt. Yeah, this is step number 1. And this will heat up everything. But if you like to gain to the next level, use a 3000 W. That means 3000 watt. Wow, G-run comfort due to the fan mode. And at the same time is safe and reliable. The industry quality with the heat-resistant powder coating on the steel housing makes a good job. The thermostat and the overheating protection is for a safe use. And the portable heater is perfect for small rooms such as apartments, office, workshops, warehouses, garage, construction sites, greenhouses, and much more. Yeah, and you have all what we need here. 3 operation modes and a thermostat we can choose from the right temperature for us. Instant warmth for a home with the DAH ceramic fan heater. It warms up in just under 3 seconds. That's fast. This is the BGP 2305-30. The air throughput can be 250 cubic meter per hour. That's a lot for such a small device. The power supply can be 220 up to 240 voltage. That means you can operate it on the entire Earth. And the heating area 30 square meter. And of course, it weighs only 1.8 kilogram. The broader protection class is IP20 and wattage is 30, 2000 and or 3000. The fuse which is built in is the 16 ampere. And if the fuse is enabled, you can make a reset on the bottom of the device. GS listed, overheating protection, ceramic technique. All this brings us a portable and nice to use ceramic fan heater by DAH. 3000 watt. It's a small radiant heater for the construction area. A nice dryer with a thermostat where we can choose from 3 heating levels for the bathroom, for the table area, and for indoor area as well. Really nice energy class A, makes a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!